Hey, what's up guys? You know, replacing the air filter on a car is quite a simple procedure. However, many people overlook this maintenance and they don't replace it, especially when you buy the car. You expect that the previous owner change it and you don't check it up. It gets clogged up. You get worse performance and worse fuel economy and you don't know why. You're gonna check around the mass airflow sensors and other more complex component and you overlook the air filter, which is actually very important, especially on these turbocharged engines like these ones. So on this Mini Cooper, I'm gonna go ahead with the T30 and remove these two bolts. And the second bolt is on the other side. I'm pretty sure right now that the most advanced of you are not gonna watch this video, but you gotta make also step-by-step videos for the beginners because there are a lot of people who wants to learn this stuff and you gotta start somewhere. So that's why I'm gonna show all these simple procedures and simple maintenance procedures so people can start working on their car. This is like an intro. Now you can pull out this mass airflow sensor together with this intake hose. From this side, just release this vacuum hose, and from this point the only thing that holds this air filter box on is a T25 bolt. So place your torque bit with the extension. You will need some sort of extension like that because I cannot see how you're gonna fit a screwdriver, like a regular size screwdriver in here. So make sure that you have the proper tools before this. Once this bolt is loose, you can grab the air filter housing or the air filter box, how you want to call it, push it up from this side. It has three supports basically, from the other side as well. Now if you have a look down there, you can see the first intake hose which connects with the air filter housing. So make sure that you have a flathead screwdriver and pry it out from the air filter box. Try to push the hose with your fingers just like that. You gotta do a little bit of work there and it will eventually come out. Finally, the air filter housing is out. We've got here three screws. Now this air filter housing opens like a surprise box and here we've got the air filter. Why you want to remove this box is to clean up the inside, because here is gonna be all the dirt from outside. Can be like dead insects, leaves, and can be sometimes like little nests of animals. If you leave the car for a long time, you might find here like some rats or whatever. The new filter is gonna last for longer because you don't need to clog up the new filter with the dirt which is already existing in the air filter housing. Of course, you can go ahead with a vacuum cleaner, but when you remove it, you get to inspect it. You also, if you are a beginner, especially because these videos are made for beginners, it's important to also learn how to work on your car so you can take out parts and reinstall them back. This is like the intro into the car maintenance and repair and diagnosis world. Once the interior of the air filter housing is clean, don't worry about the moist, which will go away. Go ahead and place the new filter on. You've got basically three big clips, which needs to go like that. Now place back this box. Make sure that you don't scratch anything. Like now the air filter box is in position. Now let's reconnect this intake hose together with the mass airflow sensor. I will switch to the T30 Torx and let's screw them back in. Make sure that you twist a little bit this mass airflow sensor and find the right position. Just like that. Reattach this vacuum hose and that's pretty much it, guys. Simple like that. You can make your car run better and last longer basically. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more advanced videos about this car, there is going to be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about this Mini Cooper S. So yes guys, until next time, take care, so I can see you soon.